Hey guys, if your team have a lot of projects and a lot of repositories, it can be hard to manage if they are all in one workspace. So my suggestion is to divide your workspace into related repositories. So for example, we're going to create a workspace for the CodeOfaNinja projects or CodeOfaNinja repositories. So to do that, let's click on File and then let's open folder. Okay, and then we're gonna find the CodeOfaNinja project. So for example, is this one. So after selecting it, you can see that the folder of the repository is here, and we're gonna add another one, the related repository to that one. So let's add another folder, add folder to workspace, and then let's select this one. As you can see, it says it is untitled. The workspace has no name yet, but we're gonna add a name later. So another repository that we're gonna add is this one. Let's click on File and add folder to workspace, and this one. Okay, so now we have the three related repository of this project. So next we're going to add a name for this project. So let's click File and then save workspace as. And I like to save it here in the htdocs because that's where all the repository are found in my projects. So I'm gonna name it CodeOfaNinja workspace, code workspace, that code workspace. Okay, and then save it. So now I have a more focused workspace. It is more focused on one related projects. Okay, so let's go back to the list of the unrelated repositories that I have here. So next, for example, I want to create a repository or a workspace for the exam projects. So to do that, I'm going to identify which folder names or repository names are related. So this one, and then this one. Okay, so now let's open a folder, and we're gonna find the projects. So you can see multiple projects or folders. Using the you need to click the folder name and then click Control if you're using Windows, and then select another one, and then you can find the other related project. In this case, this is this one, and then select folder. So once you have selected the related projects, you can now put a name on this workspace. So in this example, we're gonna save this workspace as applicant exams code workspace. Okay, so let's put it exams, applicant exams code workspace, and then let's click save. So now we have another workspace that is focused on one related projects. So if you want to switch between workspaces, It's really easy. So just click on File, then open Recent. So we have created the CodeOfaNinja workspace earlier, so let's just select it. So now it will show the workspace related to one project, or the repositories related to one project using the workspace. And then let's go back to the applicant exams workspace. So now we have these. So I think it is much more organized, and you can focus your thinking or debugging into one project at a time, which is makes you more efficient as a coder or as a tester. So I hope that helps, and that's it for now. Thank you very much.